Motorola phones continue to be a fan favorite among entry-level and high-end users alike because of their carefully curated price-to-performance ratio. The company has sufficiently modernized its lineup of offerings, tuning them to 2025 standards. Starting from the budget Moto G13 to the high-end Razr Plus and Edge Plus devices, you get a clean software experience, the latest hardware, and decent customer support. In this video, we'll show you some of the best Motorola phones to consider in early 2025. We've listed options across a variety of price points for you to choose from as per your budget. The Motorola Razr Plus 2024, which is the company's latest flip phone iteration. It refreshes the popular design with a larger external OLED and a better processor. The battery life also has been revamped and the cameras have been tuned for a better night mode experience. At $999, this is the cheapest flagship grade foldable you can get. The Motorola phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, which is powerful enough for most video games and multitasking. You also get 8 GB of memory and 256 GB of storage, which can be a bit limiting for power users. However, for the majority of Android enthusiasts, the 6.9-inch foldable display would be perfect. The Moto Edge Plus 2023, which is a traditional flagship from the company. The device is designed to compete directly with the Samsung S24 and the iPhone 16, but is priced quite aggressively. You get a sleek design language with a capable triple camera setup. It also comes equipped with a 6.7-inch OLED display running at 165 Hz. The device is powered by a 5100 mAh all-day cell. You even get 68-watt fast charging, which fully charges the device within 30 minutes. Moreover, the device packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which isn't the latest in the market, but helps bring the total price of the phone down to just $800. Motorola Edge 2024, which sits a level below the Edge Plus and targets a more mid-range audience. You get a slightly smaller 6.6-inch OLED panel with a 144 Hz refresh rate that keeps everything silky smooth. When it comes to the processor, this Motorola phone packs the very capable Snapdragon 7S Gen 2. Moreover, you get a sizable 4600 mAh cell, which fills up within 20 to 25 minutes, all thanks to the 68-watt fast charging. In terms of pricing, it can be considered one of the best value Motorola phones in the market. It'll cost just $499 for the base variant, with the topped-out edition selling for $600. The device even dropped to just $300 in the Black Friday sale in 2024. The Motorola Moto G84 5G. Coming to more budget Motorola phones, the G84 5G deserves a mention despite being over a year old now. The phone's been discounted to just $250 these days, making it one of the most well-rounded recommendations at this price point. You get a sizable 6.5-inch POLED panel that refreshes 120 times per second. The cameras are pretty decent too, with the main sensor packing a 50MP lens. In terms of computing hardware, you get the Snapdragon 695, which has continued to be quite powerful since its launch. This Motorola phone is also quite generous in memory and storage. You get 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which is plenty for a $250 device. It also bundles a 5000 mAh cell that can comfortably push an all-day battery. The Motorola Moto G13. Motorola phones particularly shine on a tight budget, as they have some of the best sub-$150 offerings these days. The Moto G13 is a particularly interesting choice that offers a few top-of-the-line features while keeping the price tag low. For starters, you get a 6.5-inch 90Hz IPS LCD panel, which is pretty decent at this price point. Processing is handled by the Helio G85, which has been shown to be more capable than multiple cheaper Snapdragon offerings. Much like the G84, this phone also packs a 5000 mAh battery cell. However, the bundled 10-watt charger takes quite some time to fill up. In terms of storage and memory, the phone starts from 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB ROM and maxes out at 4 GB 128 GB. These are some of the best value Motorola phones to consider in early 2025. On multiple occasions, we've preferred an older device because the discounts on them make them incredible purchases at the price point. With these options, you can get the most out of your money.